Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Juanita Living Life Unapologetically Design. Hello, kings and queens and lovables. We're back again with another video. Yes, you can see it, honey. I'm back again to show you these finds, honey. Listen, stick with me and I will show you the finds, the goody goods, right? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to just budget. Keep yourself on a budget. Don't go crazy. You know why? When it's holidays, we tend to go a little crazy, right? A little crazy on things, right? But no, no, no. I'm showing you how to not to go crazy and over budget. And you want things fancy, all depends. Now, I always, when I watch the movies and TV shows, when they have their stuff out on the table, I'm like, oh my gosh, I would love something like that. But oh my gosh, that is not in my budget, you know? So look at here. Look at this. This is in my budget. It's in my budget, honey, as an empty nester. For sure it could be in your budget, right? So let's get into this, right? So let's start with this beautiful thing right here, right? All this is from Home Goods, and when you see that red sticker, honey, you know, we know what that means. And honey, I'm not ashamed. I'm gonna share this with you, beautiful people. I am not ashamed to walk in there and go straight to the clearance, and they were like, why? Because I like it. Because I'm saving $1. I'm saving me some coins on these items that I purchased, right? There's no shame in my game. And I don't care what anybody say, honey. Don't let somebody shame you to saying you need to pay full price. Why would you do that when you can get it on clearance? Why would you do that when you can get it on sale? Why would you do that when you can get something beautiful like that, like this and that, right? And then put it on your table. Now, before you do it, you just take off those stickers right there. They don't have to listen. They're probably in the same aisle that you are trying to get these items, right? But guess what? I grabbed them up. I was looking and I saw them. So let's get into it, right? You already see these, right? So these are from Maison Blanc. And they're white porcelain square bowls, honey. These are stackables. Stackables. Remember, they're 5 by 5, right? And these are dishwasher and microwave safe, honey. Porcelain. You can use these for anything. You can use for your salads. You can use it for the ice cream. I like the idea for the ice cream, honey. That's how the depth of it. You can use that for anything, a side, something. You can put these and put them on the table, and they can be like little bowls or something, you know, whatever you want to put out. You can put this on your table, you know, and, you know, we entertaining somebody. These little bowls, you put nuts in there. You can put whatever, right? It's for you to decide what you want to do. I got these for $6, right? From Home Goods. So let's get into this one right here. You can see it, beautiful. You can see it, beautiful. Look how the depth of it, how you can get in there. Can you see your chicken or your turkey or your ham or your whatever you want to go in there, your casserole? Is this not gorgeous? Is this not gorgeous? Now, I'm going to tell you how much I paid for this, right? This was, I think, let me get in there. Because I don't want to lie. Yeah, this was $6, right? This was $6, right? So, yeah, that was $6. You can put this on your table. You can put it anywhere and put whatever you desire to do, honey. So, yes, that's $6 there. And this one, same design, same company. I got this and got that at the same time because I saw it. But I got this months ago at Home Goods. This is $12, right? So same thing, a bigger platter, nice design that we're gonna bring a oomph to your table or wherever you decide to put it, on your coffee table, on your tablescape or whatever it is. It's gonna bring some oomph in your counter with whatever you're gonna have on there. Very nice, right? So yeah, let's bring us all back together. And this is just showing you saving an empty nester on a budget, right? And you don't have to spend it because you have it, honey. You don't have to go crazy because you have it. So all this here was under what, $30? We got, yep. So about $30. Yes, sir. Yes, indeed. All three, $30. So yeah, you heard it here. You heard it from me. Get out there and get you some beautiful platters, whatever you want to use them. You might not want to use it for a platter. You might want to use it for decoration. Put something up there. Put, different design, different things on there. You don't have to. It's up to you, right? It's up to you to do whatever you want. They'll be yours. So yes, beautiful people, that's it for this video. I just want to come in here and show you these finds that I purchased just for the holidays. I'm not sure if I'm going to use it for Thanksgiving or Christmas, but I will be using them, and I will show you how I'm using them and how I saved a lot of money just going to clearance, going to thrift stores, being an empty nester, and saving a buck. Okay, so if you like things like this, empty nester, DIYs, home decor, vlogs, anything like that, please join the community of love, and I would love to have you. I love to converse with you. On that note, have a beautiful day, beautiful people.